Linking tasks in Microsoft Project allows you to create task dependencies, ensuring one task starts or finishes relative to another. This is crucial for managing the project schedule effectively. Here's how to link tasks. Open Microsoft Project. Launch the project. Open the project file containing the tasks you want to link. Add tasks. Task entry. If you haven't added tasks yet, enter them in the task name column. Each task will be assigned a unique task ID. Select tasks to link. Choose tasks. Highlight the tasks you want to link by clicking on their row numbers while holding the Control key if they are not adjacent. Link tasks. Link using the toolbar. Once tasks are selected, click the Link Tasks button in the Task tab or press Ctrl plus F2. This will create a Finish to Start dependency, meaning the second task cannot start until the first one finishes. Modify dependency types. Change dependency. If you want a different type of dependency, double-click the link between tasks in the predecessor column and change the dependency type. Review Gantt chart. Check links. The Gantt chart will show arrows between linked tasks, visually indicating the relationship.